You are going to love the 2020 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look, plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.